The manual sewing machine. Mini. It has different names. It's basically a miniature sewing machine. It's also known as a stapler sewing machine because it operates in a very similar way to a stapler. The way it works is you put your thread on the spool, and the spool must go over the top, downwards. You then take the thread and you go straight up through the loop. You then take it up and over, and in between the two little disky things, that's your tensioner. You may have to twist the knob to get the right tension. Way hey. You then take it underneath, and there's a little loop, and you put it through the loop to come out the opposite side of your stapler mini sewing machine thingamajig, what you call it. You can then put it through the needle, thread of the needle. There's a little tool, and it's a very handy little thing. It's basically a very thin wire loop that you push through the eye of the needle. You put your thread through it, and then you use that little tool to pull the thread through the needle. Very handy if you're a blind-eyed git like me. You then, after you pull the thread through, lift up the foot plate and pull the thread out through the bottom of the foot plate. So it looks like this. And then when you feed your fabric in, you do it from the right hand side going toward the left. After you finish doing your sewing, make sure you don't just pull the thread out because it will all come undone. So what you have to do is turn your sewing upside down, tighten a knot, and then your thread will stay secure.